The following is a DW Ancient Babylon production. During the Early Dynastic Period, the recently invented technology of writing evolved both in its ability to render spoken languages and in the extent of information it could provide. Writing is also the most eloquent indication at this time of the existence of a cultural unity in the Near East inspired by Southern Mesopotamian traditions. Scribal techniques and text genres used throughout the region were all developed in Babylonia. This technique of writing, called cuneiform, was exported to Syria and northern Mesopotamia when urban cities developed there. Northern Babylonian Kish was very important, as was Mari on the Middle Euphrates, which may have provided training to Syrian scribes. These people employed the same scribal practices, shaping their clay tablets similarly, writing the same cuneiform signs, and organizing them in the same way. Those from western Syria read the same texts as those in southern Iraq. Although united intellectually, politically they were separate, living in independent city-states. We can state with certainty that at least two languages were spoken in Babylonia during the Early Dynastic Period: Sumerian and a Semitic language sometimes referred to as Proto-Akkadian. These two languages were very different in character, but they shared some vocabulary, and Sumerian grammar influenced Akkadian, which indicates that the same groups of people used them at the same time. Members of the two linguistic groups lived side by side. Again, this reflects that Babylonia was culturally connected while being politically divided.